How's it, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well. So I'm here just to give you an update and a couple reminders. Okay. So first thing is that if you have not already taken care of this week's assignments, you have until the end of day tomorrow, Monday, to get them done. All right, this is our Sutori page. And when you scroll down here, you'll see Unit 5, the things that you need to do. Again, here are the terms that you're going to need to know for the test that's happening on Tuesday. You need to read this article, watch this video, and watch this video. Okay, and then after that, you need to go to Flipgrid and you need to do a post, and you need to also reply to 2 of your classmates' posts. Okay, really important that you get this done. This is helping you to prepare for our test, which is happening on Tuesday. Okay, I have been getting some questions about what is going to be on the test, so I just wanted to give you a quick reminder. If I pull up our Laulima page, you can see that we have Exam 2 Study Guide, right? So when we click on that, you're going to need to know these terms. Now, keep in mind that for Unit 5, I did end up removing Kanahele reading, the Duduwa reading, and the web reading. So please don't worry about these terms. Pay attention to the ones that are on our Sutori page, right? These right here, right? Okay, back to the study guide. Yeah, so this is our study guide. These are the things that you're going to need to know. And then in addition to this, remember that if you look at Unit 4, you also have these 2, Lo'i system vocabulary and Taro or Kalo vocabulary. You will need to know these for the test also, right? Here's all the terms here. Yeah, so you're going to need to know these. So please review them. All right. So that's what's going to be on the test. In terms of the format of the test, it's going to be formatted like our other ones were. Okay. I am giving you, because of this switch to online, I am giving you an additional 10 minutes to complete it. You're going to have to, you have 2 chances, just like last time. The test is going to open for you on Tuesday, the 31st, at 6 a.m. and will close that evening at 11:55 p.m. Okay, so again, you need to take your exam between 6 a.m. and 11:55 p.m. on Tuesday, the 31st of March. Okay. Again, you have 2 times to take it. It's exactly the same format. Okay, and just a quick reminder, I will, of course, have to, just like in the other exam, have to review your recall portion just to give that final, the final total score. However, you should be able to get a pretty good idea of what it is that you don't know so that you can go back and study to take it the second time. All right. I also have been getting questions about service learning. Service learning, I'm going to send you, after we take the exam, I will send you another screencast explaining how we're going to move forward with service learning. Don't want to bog you down right now with that, but please know that please don't worry about it. Okay. I'll be posting something likely on Wednesday so that we can talk about that and you can pose your questions. Let's see, is there anything else? I think that that is likely it. Again, please do your readings on our Satori page, which you can access, right? You can access this here at Unit 5, our Unit 5 tab, right? And it shows you the things that you need to do, the lecture that you need to watch, as well as the Satori page. Check these assignments off once you're done doing them, right? Check them off right here when you're done doing them. This accesses our Satori page and probably telling you stuff that you already know, but just want to make sure that we're clear. Okay. Don't hesitate to email me if you have questions. Email me. And I am going forward with those virtual office hours every Tuesday and Thursday from 11 a.m. till noon. A few of you have been stopping in. I really, really appreciate that. Mahalo. It's been really, really nice to see your face and hear your voices. Okay, so be safe, wash your hands, right? Practice social distancing, and please, please take care of yourselves. Okay, so good luck getting this done. Last push till Unit 5 is done. Okay? Ahuiho and malama pono.